Alright, again, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marvs Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up Marvs Go VPN application in all countries for a fast, secure, and stable internet. So don't forget to subscribe if you are new on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to share this tutorial to your friend. And in case you get any problem, the comment section is open. So first and foremost, we're going to start by opening Google Play Store, and in Google Play Store, we're going to download this application called sorry for pronunciation, but that is what I can pronounce. Marvs G. Oh, Marvs Go VPN, sorry. So that is it. We're going to download this application. As you see, it is Marvs Go VPN. This application works and it is one of the first application. That is why I've recommended you to download this application. So you're going to download it, and then after downloading it, you're going to open. Sorry for that. After opening, you're going to allow all the required permissions that will be requested to you by this application, including the notification permission. And then you're going to first and foremost, you're going to come right here where you see update, and then we're going to update the servers and choose the online update and give it some few seconds to update, because once you don't update this application, it won't connect. That is it. And then after updating the servers, we're going to come where you see auto select server. By choosing auto select server, I kindly request you viewers to search, or you're going to connect to a server that is your country's location or that is near to your country's location. Alternatively, if you don't see your country's location server, I kindly request you to keep in auto select server so that this application may find you the better working server, so that you can access a secure internet using one of the fastest servers online. So we're going to come secondly where you see VPN 125 plus locations, and then you're going to switch from recommended to all countries, and then you're going to look for your country's server by being patient, and then scroll down to look for your country's server. Alternatively, you're going to do this. You're going to come and then connect to this one. Let me show you a server you're going to connect it to. You have these servers. You have this one, but it is a V3 server. I don't recommend it. I have this one. We have this one also. That is also, those are V3 servers. Let us try to search for a UDP server. Let me show you. I connected yesterday to ADP server. It was this one. Let me show you. It was. Let us first search it just. I'm going to search UDP in this application. I'm going to choose this server, the H2 protocol. Or if UDP Hysteria works in your country, try to use UDP Hysteria, but I recommend the H2 protocol, UDP. This one, sorry. I recommend that one. Then after, you're going to press start and then accept the connection request. You're going to you are free to choose to accept and watch an advert, or are going to choose a server manually, but let us recommend you to choose a USA server, then start. But you must watch an advert.
Quick reminder that incognito mode does not hide as much.
So I paused this tutorial so that this application can connect using after watching an advert, and then it has connected successfully. Now what if yours fails to connect? We're going to do this. Turn airplane mode on and then off, and then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorial.